One of the first things I noticed that was wrong with this Jeep, if you can't tell by how dirty the windshield is that the sprayer nozzles for the windshield wipers didn't work. Ended up that hard plastic hose was broken where it hooks to the hood, and then it was broken underneath this sprayer. I bought this kit on Amazon for $9. Comes with the tool, all the parts, these replacement clips, because you have to pull those clips out to get to it, and we'll see how it works. Well, after getting everything apart, it wasn't broken, it was just separated. Well, that's handy. I guess I'll have to save these new ones for another project. The clips that came with it are so much better than the originals. It's really hard to get this off without damaging it. Just touching it seems to tear it. But that tool made it easy, came right apart, went right back together. It's pretty much worth the $9 or $10 just to get the new clips and the tool to take this thing apart. And voila.